Hello everyone, today we'll continue learning Python, and today I will show you how to make stopwatch in Python. So let's start. First of all, what we need to do is import time. Why? Because time module is the module which helps us to work with time. And you can watch my video about time module. I made it, I think 1 month or 2 months ago, but today I'll just use some functions from it. And okay, let's just make stopwatch. First of all, we need to create a function, because I don't want to use classes today. Just a function called stopwatch. And what I need to do is, first of all, measure the starting point. So for example, start equals 0. Then while true, start plus equals 1. And let's, for example, print start. And then let's sleep, or time.sleep, for 1 second. So what does that mean? First of all, I create start variable, then I create while true loop, and then I just simply add 1 to start. And I print the start to show the result, and I just simply sleep for 1 second. So what sleep does is it freezes your thread, or in our case, our program, for 1 second. Just for a second. Our program will not work. Now let's just simply run our stopwatch, and we will see the result. Or sorry, not label, but run main. I'm making a video about label, and that's the one because of that. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have our stopwatch. And how we can stop it? By using stop main. So by simply stopping our program. That's how it works. But I want to make more complex stopwatch today. So let's make stopwatch 2, for example. And what I want to do here? First of all, I want to create starting point. So start, again, equals not 0, but I want to put time monotonic in here. And what time monotonic does, it just simply gives you the seconds from epoch. And epoch, it's the 1st January of 1970, I think. So all computers count their time since the epoch. And I told you about that in the time module video. You can watch it. I said it in details, but since the epoch, and start is just simply a number since that epoch. So let's call stopwatch 2, and we'll see the result. So as you can see, that number is how many seconds passed since the epoch. Let's run it again, and as you can see, our number is changing. So 131, let's run, 135. That's how it works. And time monotonic, it's the clock which cannot be changed. So on my Windows computer, I can change my time. That's easy. But monotonic time will not change under any circumstances. And because of that, when for example, when I will start my program, and if my program is running and I change my time, for example, I go back for 2 hours, my time monotonic will not change at all. And that's it. That's why I use time monotonic, because I don't want my program to break because of my Windows. Our program and our Windows are separate things. Okay, and then what I want to do? Define get time. So define a new function in my stopwatch function. I can do this in Python because functions are objects, and I can create methods for that def object. That's it. And what I will do here is just simply return time.monotonic minus start. So start, it's the time which when we started our stopwatch. And time monotonic gets another time. So for example, I waited for 3 seconds and I need to get the time. I get the time monotonic, and it's 3 seconds ahead from start. Because of that, I just simply subtract 2 integers and I get the time. And what I need to do is return get time, but not return get time for the result, but just simply return get time as an object. So when I put parentheses, again, I call an object for the result. In our case, it's time monotonic minus start. But when I just simply type the name of the function, I give the object of the function, or the link to the function. And because of that, let's print stopwatch now. Print stopwatch. Let's run our code. As you can see, it says function stopwatch locals get time. And it says the address of the function in our memory. That's how it works. What will happen now? Stopwatch. Let's make stopwatch 2. For example, get time equals stopwatch 2. Then I'll print get time. Then I'll sleep for example, 5 seconds, and then I'll again print get time, and of course time.sleep. So what I do here again, I make stopwatch which returns that function, then Because of that, I return the function, and because of that, I can call it in the future. So I'll call it right here. I sleep for 5 seconds and I call it again. Let's run our code. As you can see, there's 0.0 seconds. We wait for 5 seconds and it says 5.0. So these are stopwatches which can work and do not interrupt your program. If I run my stopwatch number 1, if I run my program now, it will get the main thread of my program. So I will not be able to, for example, print text because I have while true here. I can use threading, and you can watch my video about threading basics, or I can use multiprocessing, but I don't want to do that here. I just simply want to make a stopwatch. And because of that, what I can do is just simply get start from time monotonic, so an integer, and then when I need, I can call function getTime, which subtracts new time from that start. And because of that, we get these timings, and that's how it works. If you want to make the similar stopwatch to the one I made in that function, in stopwatch number 1, what you can do is while true, print get time, like that. And now let's look at the result. As you can see, our time is more accurate because we have floats in here, not just raw integers as you do it here. And yeah, actually that's it. So we have a simple stopwatch. Again, I return the function and I call it when I need to get the time. That's how it works. I think that's great, and yeah, actually that's it. Good luck.